So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to export contacts on iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your phone app or your contacts app. And I'm going to use the example on here. It's called John. This is a contact I've just created. It's no one in particular. And on here you can see the bottom parts like send message, share contact, add to favorites, add to emergency contacts, and block. So if I wish to export this contact, I can just go ahead and click on share, and it will give me the options. So you can see John contact card, airdrop, mail, WhatsApp, Viber, and so on. So I can even add a quick note, save to files, or choose some other actions for this contact. So I can just go ahead and do it that way, or I can do it with the list of contacts. So if I open up a list, you can see some of the lists on there, and you can just go ahead and hold one of those lists. So if I chose all contacts, you can just go ahead and hold that, and you can see the export button. Through here, you'll be able to export more contacts at once, so you don't have to do it every time for share contact and so on. So you can select the fields you want to include, then tap done. So fields may be the name of the contact, the number of the contact, and choose a method to send or save the exported contact cards, such as messages or mail. So you can have a backup list if you're changing phones, if you're changing cards, something that may disrupt your contacts. Make sure that you have exported them through one of those ways. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.